Can you score 10 out of 10? I'm going to show you different sentences. Your job is to identify the figure of speech in each of them. Number 1. Her eyes were stars in the night. Her eyes were stars in the night. What is the figure of speech here? Metaphor. Correct. Here we see her eyes being compared directly to the stars in the night. Remember, metaphor says one thing is another, or one thing was another. Her eyes were stars in the night. Metaphor. Number 2. The only constant is change. The only constant is change. Which is it? What do you say? Paradox. This is paradox. All right. We have an expression here that seems contradictory. The only constant is change. Change is constant. Constant change. How? But when you think, when you ponder upon it, you find a deeper meaning. The only constant is change, because change happens all the time. So change is constant. Paradoxical expression. Paradox. Number 3. You are not a bad singer. I love the sound of your voice. Which is it? What do you say? Litotes. All right. Litotes is a figure of speech in which an idea is communicated using negation, saying that something is not the opposite of what you say it is. All right. You are not a bad singer to say you are a good singer. But instead of saying you're a good singer, you say you're not the opposite, not a bad singer. Litotes. Sentence number 4. She is as brave as a lion. What do you say? Which is it? Simile. Simile involves indirectly comparing things using as or like, or even than. She is as brave as a lion. Simile. Number 5. The bees buzz busily by the bush. The bees buzz busily by the bush. What figure of speech is represented here? Alliteration. The repetition of a particular consonant sound in words in a sentence. B, 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 b. The bees buzzed busily by the bush. Alliteration. Number 6. Boom! There was an explosion. What figure of speech is represented here? Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech in which a word describes, imitates, or suggests the sound it represents. Boom! The sound of an explosion. Onomatopoeia. Number 7. The moon smiled down on us. The moon smiled down on us. What figure of speech is represented here? What do you say? Personification. Personification is the figure of speech in which human characteristics, human feature, human attributes are ascribed, are given to a non-human being. The moon smiling. Now that's personification. The moon smiled down on us. Personification. Expression number 8. I have a mountain of homework. I have a mountain of homework. Identify the figure of speech. Hyperbole. Hyperbole involves exaggeration. I have probably a load of homework, but is it up to the size of a mountain? No, exaggeration. Hyperbole. Number 9. Bittersweet memories filled her mind. Bittersweet memories filled her mind. Identify the figure of speech. Which is it? Oxymoron. Now this is oxymoron. Oxymoron is involved where you have two words, two opposite words, two contradictory words put together, placed together side by side in a sentence. Bitter, sweet. Bittersweet memories filled her mind. Oxymoron. Number 10. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. What figure of speech can you identify here? What do you say? If you say assonance, then you're correct. Assonance is a figure of speech which involves the repetition of a particular vowel sound. In this case, we have the long A. The rain in Spain stays mainly in plain. A. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. assonance. Now, this is different from alliteration. In alliteration, it is the repetition of a consonant sound. Peter, Piper, picked a peck of pickled pepper, pa, 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 pa. All right, in this case, it is a vowel sound that is repeated. Did you get all correct? Drop your score in the comment section.